Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make color on the background in Photoshop. So open Photoshop, create new here, set any size you want and create. So the background is white. How to change the color? To change the color you go here, go to solid color. So you can change the color here, any color you want. And another style, you can select here the same and go to gradient. So 18 is this mean, let me show you. 80s mean this up here, and this color is down. So when you select here, for example, I want this, see, and here black, I want it white, see. So 90 here mean this is yellow, this is green. So when I change this to 180, so it's like this. You can change to any you want. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.